she was at the wrong place. Recently, social media users worldwide have been attempting the slick back challenge. An actress hopped on the trend, but her attempt didn't end well. The slick back challenge is a dance trend that was made popular in Korea when a Korean student named Lee Hyo-chul filmed himself seemingly gliding and floating at the same time. The video went viral, gaining over 200 million views and 2.3 million likes on TikTok. The dance was inspired by the already famous Jubi slide, created by TikToker Jubi2Fi in 2022. While the Jubi slide is a dance move where the feet appear to be sliding, the slick back focuses on balancing on the heels to make it look like the feet. It's called the Slick Back Challenge due to the use of LAKIM's song, A Pimp Named Slickback, in the challenge videos. Actress Jeon Hae-bin also tried to join in on the fun. However, the location where she practiced the dance was not the best choice. On October 30th, she posted a picture on her Instagram story showing her leg in a cast. She wrote a caption warning others not to do the challenge in slippery places. Because the slick back dance requires sliding and balancing on the heels, it appears that Jeon Hae-bin slipped while practicing the dance move. She didn't clarify the details of her injury, but it is presumed that she got a cast put on at the hospital. Jeon Hae-bin is a former member of the first-generation girl group Love, who debuted in 2002. Since then, she has been active as an actress in productions such as Another Miss O and Live or Die. In 2019, she married a dentist 2 years her senior and is currently raising a son.